DJI is preparing to introduce its most recent action camera, the Osmo Action 5 Pro, which is expected to revolutionize the action camera market. In the past, the Osmo Action series has been a formidable competitor to GoPro. However, it has frequently neglected to incorporate critical features that provide GoPro with an advantage. Nevertheless, DJI's objective with the introduction of the Pro model is to provide substantial improvements that could establish the Action 5 Pro as the premier action camera on the market. The excitement around the Osmo Action 5 Pro began with a tweet from Igor Bogdanov, hinting at an upcoming DJI product. This was followed by another tweet from Ostulf, confirming the Pro tag for the Osmo Action 5 and sharing its FCC listing ID. The appearance of this FCC listing suggests that the camera's release is imminent. Last year, DJI launched the Osmo Action 4 in August ahead of GoPro's release schedule, and it seems likely that DJI will follow a similar strategy for the Action 5 Pro, potentially releasing it in the second week of August. There is speculation that DJI might release two variants of the Osmo Action 5 this time, a base model and a Pro version with enhanced features. To surpass the GoPro Hero 12, the Osmo Action 5 Pro would need substantial improvements. Starting with a larger sensor, the camera is expected to feature the same 1-inch sensor found in the Osmo Pocket 3. This larger sensor could enable the Osmo Action 5 Pro to shoot 5K videos at up to 60 frames per second. Although this is not confirmed, a larger sensor would also improve image quality, particularly in low-light conditions, an area where action cameras have traditionally struggled. The Osmo Pocket 3 has already demonstrated significant improvements in low-light performance, thanks to its larger sensor and enhanced image processing. Design-wise, the Osmo Action 5 Pro is expected to retain the robust square-shaped body and dual-touch displays of its predecessors. One potential upgrade that could set it apart is seamless connectivity with wireless microphones. The built-in microphone on previous models has been subpar at canceling background noise, making an external high-quality microphone necessary. If DJI can offer seamless wireless mic connectivity, it would greatly benefit filmmakers. Given the Pro designation, DJI needs to deliver professional-level features to compete with GoPro effectively. Despite the improvements, GoPro still holds an advantage in image quality, offering a sharper and more refined action cam experience. However, DJI's focus on addressing overheating issues, a significant problem for GoPro, positions the Osmo Action 5 Pro as a strong contender. If DJI can deliver on the rumored upgrades, it could finally outshine the Hero cameras in terms of resolution and performance. In short, the Osmo Action 5 Pro has generated considerable buzz, and its anticipated release in August has fans eagerly awaiting it. If DJI follows through with its pro-level upgrades, it could redefine the action camera market. Do you think the Pro tag will make a significant difference, and will DJI finally surpass GoPro? Share your thoughts in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for the latest tech news.